I once heard about this farmer known for growing the best corn. But get this, he would freely share his prize seed corn with all his neighbors. These are farmers in competition with him. A journalist caught wind of this bizarre practice and had to ask the farmer, why in the world would you help out your competitors like that? Aren't you just hurting your own success by making their crops as good as yours? The farmer just smiled at the question and said, here's my secret. The wind pays no mind to fences or property lines. The pollen from my field always gets carried over to my neighbors' farms, mixing and cross-pollinating our crops. Their pollen breezes over to my fields too. So by helping their harvest, I'm helping my own in the process. It turns out we're all in this together. Doesn't that just make you stop and think? We all desperately need each other. Even more than that, we're all connected. We're so connected that if I hurt you, I hurt me. However, if I bless you, I bless me. In 2 Corinthians, Paul uses farming imagery. But notice how the second verse connects farming to giving. Here it is. Whoever sows sparingly will also reap sparingly. And whoever sows generously will also reap generously. Each of you should give what you have decided in your heart to give, not reluctantly or under compulsion, for God loves a cheerful giver. I love those words. Paul's playing off the classic farming imagery. You reap what you sow. Simple, right? But then he pivots it toward this idea of generosity and sincere giving from the heart. Think about that kind of neighborhood. People look out for each other. They don't keep score on who is doing the nice thing next. They don't decide that my neighbor owes me because I was giving to him last week. They give when they can and generously. I trust, as that kind of neighbor, that when I have extra time or I got a good deal on peaches, I'm just going to bring some by. If I know you're sick, mourning, or healing from an accident, I just clear your snow or help you out. We're not on separate individual islands. We're here to give each other what we really need. That's mostly love. This is the magic of our closest relationships and family. If I take care of them, if they know I'm willing to sacrifice for them, if they know I'm here to build them up because we are us, if they can tell I look at the relationship as a place to give something, not just take, those simple moments connect us. They create bonds, not just relationships. So when Paul says, whoever sows generously will reap generously, he's getting that very truth. Isn't that awesome? Those fences and boundaries we've put up between each other, that's sad, isn't it? A lot more fences would come down and a lot more hungry people would be fed if we really understood this. We put up walls between us, refusing to open up because we think we're protecting ourselves from getting hurt. But those walls actually keep us from feeling love and keep us from connecting with others. Our next video answers this question. What sacrifices will lead me to a joy so profound that I happily upgrade my worldly pleasures? That's the top video. The bottom one, that's one YouTube thinks you'll like.